Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes English, where you learn easy English step by step. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hello. Alex, what do you like to do on your day off?
Oh, I love a fun day out. I go to the park, I take lots of photos, and I eat out.
That sounds great. And that's our topic today, days out. We will learn 8 easy phrases to talk about fun places you go and things you do on a day out.
Perfect. A day out is a fun day when you go somewhere nice. Let's start.
But first, a fun question, Alex. A popular day out is a trip to a museum. But what is the most visited museum in the world?
Ooh, a tricky one.
Is it A, the Louvre in Paris, B, the British Museum in London, or C, the Met in New York?
I'll say B, the British Museum?
Maybe. I'll tell you the answer at the end. Keep listening. So, Nina, where do you like to go on a sunny day? On a nice day, I love to go to the park. Go to the park.
Go to the park. To go to the park means to visit a green place with trees and grass. On Sunday, we go to the park.
And if I want to see animals, I go to the zoo. Go to the zoo.
Go to the zoo. A zoo is a place with many animals, like lions and elephants. The children love to go to the zoo. Say it with me. Go to the zoo.
Go to the zoo. On a rainy day, I like to go to a museum. Go to a museum.
Go to a museum. A museum is a place with art and history. I go to a museum to see old paintings.
Beautiful. And sometimes I just want to go shopping. Go shopping.
Go shopping. To go shopping means to visit shops and buy things. On Saturday, I go shopping in the city.
And in the evening, a fun day out is to go to the cinema. Go to the cinema.
Go to the cinema. To go to the cinema means to watch a film on a big screen. We go to the cinema and eat popcorn. In American English, we say go to the movies. Say it with me. Go to the cinema.
Go to the cinema. On a warm day, I love to have a picnic. Have a picnic.
Have a picnic. To have a picnic means to eat food outside, on the grass. We have a picnic in the park.
Yum. And sometimes I don't cook. I eat out. Eat out.
Eat out. To eat out means to eat at a restaurant, not at home. On my birthday, I eat out with my family.
And on every day out, I take photos. Take photos.
Take photos. To take photos means to take pictures with your camera or phone. I take photos of beautiful places. Say it with me. I take photos.
I take photos. So many fun things to do. Now, let's practice. I will say a sentence about a day out. Then you try and tell us about your favorite day out. Ready?
Ready. Number 1.
On Sunday, I go to the park.
Number 2.
I go shopping in the city.
Number 3.
We have a picnic in the park.
Number 4.
I take photos of beautiful places.
Great job! Now you can talk about days out in English.
Now, the answer to our question. What is the most visited museum in the world? I said the British Museum.
Good guess. But the answer is A, the Louvre in Paris. Every year, millions of people visit the Louvre to see famous art. It is the most visited museum in the world.
Ah, the Louvre. I want to go there and take photos.
Ha! A perfect day out. Let's say our 8 phrases again.
Go to the park. To visit a green place.
Go to the zoo to see animals.
Go to a museum. To see art and history.
Go shopping. To visit shops and buy things.
Go to the cinema. To watch a film.
Have a picnic. To eat outside.
Eat out. To eat at a restaurant.
And take photos. To take pictures.
Great work today. Now you can talk about days out in English.
What's your favorite day out? Tell us in the comments in English. See you next time.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.